Hi guys, tomorrow is Raksha Madan, so I thought why not vlog from tonight because I'm gonna make it special for my brother tomorrow. So for vlogging, I put on some lipstick and some blush. So now I'm gonna enter the kitchen and clean a lot of bartans. अच्छे से घसने वाली हूँ and then I'm going to start with my marination because tomorrow I'm planning to make butter chicken, a different kind of chocolate pudding. It's gonna be different and I hope, fingers crossed, that it's gonna be amazing, and dal makhni. Yeah, my mouth is watering and I hope it goes hit and I hope my brother loves it. So first let's clean the kitchen, make it chakachak, and then I'll start with the marination and all that. Chalo. Yeah, hi Appa, after a long time you're on YouTube. So I have to clean all this right now and yeah, I'll get back to you after this. So guys, here I've kept some curd so that the excess water comes out as soon as possible because I should have done this long back but it got delayed, and this has to be used for the marination. This is a little waste which has happened now. So guys, I just got done with the marination. इसकी रेसिपी मेरी इंस्टाग्राम पे होगी तो उधर ज़रूर फॉलो कीजिए to get this amazing recipe. तो अभी मैं इसको अच्छी तरह से ढकने वाली हूँ और फ्रिज में डालने वाली हूँ ओवरनाइट. सो ओवरनाइट मैरिनेशन इज ज़बरदस्त. कल ना ये इतनी जूसी हो जाएगी, लाइक सुपर. हे बेबी, क्या देख रहे हो? गाइस, दिस इज समथिंग न्यू व्हिच माय ब्रदर गिफ्टेड माय मॉम एंड शी. Huh? Doesn't become crooked. Please like talk to me loud. So my finger doesn't become like this. Ew, it's really tida. The weight of the mobile was here. So now my hands are free. My fingers won't become crooked. So this is what my brother gifted my mom and she can watch like this now. What are you watching? A other movie. Okay. So babies, I just got done with the cleaning of kitchen also has to whatever I messed, and now I have to remove all this from my thopna and do my skincare. That's going to be a YBP skin salve on my face, and I'll go to sleep and I'll catch you tomorrow. Bye bye. Good morning. So I'm sorry I can't look fancy right now, nor I got the chance to wash my face. I will do it in sometimes. I got up and so last night I slept very late and I got up early and my eyes are all swollen, my face is swollen like a mendak, and now I have to get going fatafat. I need to get ready with all the remaining items, the dal makhani, the butter chicken I have to continue making, and the pudding. So lots of work and I'm super excited for this day, and I'll talk to you while I am doing my stuff. So yeah. So I'm waiting for my pudding to cool so I can keep it in the fridge. It looks amazing and I guess it's going to taste amazing. The fried Oreos are amazing. The recipe will be shared on my Instagram, guys. Do check it up. I love this. I hope my brother also loves it. So now I'm going to start with the butter chicken. Delhi Wali butter chicken in the making. So guys, I got done with the Delhi Wali butter chicken, which is not like a Mumbai Wali butter chicken. I recorded it too. Yeah, it's really delicious. It's something different. Like ऐसी butter chicken मैं तो नहीं खाई हूँ. It's very rich and it's yummy. And here mom is making. What are you making, baby? Paratas. Parotas. These paratas are amazing. I have not recorded it, guys. But if you want me to record it, please let me know. These are amazing fried rotis. So I just got done with the butter chicken, the pudding, and dal is cooking. And once the dals are cooked, then I'll start with the procedure. I need to take bath also. Then I need to put my lenses also. Then only I can eat, because after eating I can't put the lenses. So yeah. There is some udit dal, not dal. What is this? Akka udit, like this, which didn't get cooked. Don't know why. Maybe 3 hours of soaking was not enough. But some is all this baki is cooked. You can see these darker ones. They are like rocks. You want to see here? Show here. Oh, Crap. So guys, I can't make the dal flop show.
Can anyone tell?
Yeah, please tell why this. I mean, why did this happen? Overnight soaking was necessary, or like 3 hours is enough? Anyways, flop show. Now what do you do with this?
നമുക്ക് കോഴിക്ക് കൊടുക്കാം.
Tell what you do.
What to do?
You're gonna throw it. You're gonna show this.
You can't. These are like stones. You'll break your teeth if you eat this.
Then you put for the plants.
No.
Oh no.
Wastage. Something wrong with the udit.
Oh.
Akka udit.
Such a sad. It's disappointing, guys. I mean, I had high hopes with the dal makhni, butter chicken, and rotis. It would have tasted amazing. But flop show, I don't want my brother to bite into stones or rocks. So now I'll go for a bath, get ready, and go and serve him while he's working. He gave me an appointment. I can visit him at 3 only. That's when he's free. So that's when I'm going to go. So now it's 2 and I'm going to get ready.
Hey guys, my mom made the fried rotis. Wow, looks yummy. Let's eat and taste it. The achar, chicken, nice and soft. The chicken is not hot, huh? I mean, heavenly, zabardast. The chicken is so soft. Chicken from Licious is really nice. Nice tender. Once a year, this chicken is a must. So guys, I got ready. Mom has packed it. And now I'm leaving to give my brother. It's 3 o'clock already. Bye.
I'm not wearing anything down.
Why are you not wearing anything down? Ayo. तो भाई छड्डी में था अभी पैंट डाल ली वे डाइनिंग टेबल डाइनिंग टेबल ओह ayo open it now ayo ayo scissors is there yeah see guys wow so guys this is the Rakhi I got for my brother pretty right and I'm so happy it came on time really happy and this website has many other cool stuffs so I would suggest you to check it up. I'll put it somewhere on the screen. Let me open this. So while my brother gets free, you can see guys, this is how he works. What kind?
Sit down now.
Are you mad to sit stand?
Why you sit down? Proper it is. You get a chair, stool will let go. Lovely that body.
Yeah.
Get that.
What do you want me to sit in? I can't put ready. I don't know what.
Stand how will come.
Ah. Bus. Which hand?
Right hand. Other right hand is left hand is
Which
better.
hand is in your box?
Right hand.
Right hand is in your box.
Oh.
So then should be the left hand is in your box and the secret is in
So what do you have?
Guys, sing the song. You can sing now.
What's up?
Bhaiya mere.
Bhaiya, I know to sing. What you are Bhaiya? Wait, I थोड़ा टाइट है.
Wow, how is it? I put a bow. How is it?
Should be this. You should be facing me. How right?
No, I want to see. What are you doing? Now you that. Should be like this. Others should see it. Like I. How is it?
Very nice.
Gift.
You only got the gift for that thing.
This thing.
That nightwear का thing.
छोटा गिफ्ट से कुछ होता नहीं है. Guys, it's not giving me a gift. खाना. Open it. It takes a lot of time.
Mom is packed it first class. Come on, baby! Come on, next. Come on, eat now.
Eat now.
Eat fast. You're eating like this only?
What do you eat?
Plate alone you don't have?
What do you eat? I have to eat.
So you'll stand and eat like this? Tell me fast, how's the chicken?
Vinegar put it.
Vinegar. You know बड़ा vinegar का taste?
वो बुंदालू का टिक्की.
No. Pork vindaloo. कुछ भी. Huh?
That tangy taste.
Tiny?
Tangy.
Tangy. How is the taste? Tell. Don't tell it tastes like pork vindaloo.
Nice.
Huh? Which other taste are you getting? There's no vinegar in this.
What is it? What is the thing called?
It's called Delhi Wadi butter chicken. Not like our Mumbai Wadi butter chicken. Huh? What ka taste you're getting? Anything specific? Huh?
What do you mean what?
Something?
That tanginess.
Tomato ka? Then? Ginger garlic paste. कुछ आता वाता नहीं तो विनेगर और
Tangy taste some little.
spoiled or
The pudding, guys. This should have set, but I didn't. Night I should have made it.
Ours.
Little bit hard. Because I thought night if I make Appa will eat it and all.
So how was it? How was it? Lord.
What is it?
Lord. How was it?
It's nice.
Why didn't you complete it?
But I'm not hungry so much.
3 o'clock, it is 3:30.
I can't eat so much. I feel sleepy.
Come on, now it's dessert time. Come on, come on, come on. How's it? What good taste are you getting?
Problem,
Yeah,
and this is the old one.
yeah. How is it? Any different taste?
Elaichi or taste.
And is it tasty? Huh? It's okay. Why?
It's too sweet.
Too sweet. What the hell, man? You didn't complete it. Why didn't you complete it? What is that? Why didn't you complete it?
So I'm stopped now. Do work. So work is there.
So, if you eat little bit extra one day, what happens?
I fall asleep. My boss calls, then I'll be sleeping.
इतना आसानी से you will not need to sleep. येड़ा.
That is why you sleeping in this.
Tell मैंने अच्छा खाना खाया.
अच्छा कहना क्या है?
So tell me honestly why you didn't like the sweet dish.
Too sweet.
But sweet dish is sweet.
Not too sweet.
What is too sweet? Tell me.
What's too sweet?
Sweet is too sweet.
Wait, what you said, you described to me now before, that's why I wanted to tell them also.
Inside there's a Oreo and bourbon. Then you're deep frying it. Then on top of that chocolate. It's too much. There's no one taste. Everything is overpowering everything else. There's no balance in the dessert.
I did something special, something different.
You
I have it.
Put elaichi in it.
Elaichi is there, the custard.
Achha, what's special and different one?
Fried it. Others I could just put plain Oreos and bourbon.
Okay,
So I fried it for some difference. So guys, I'm sitting here for some time and then I'll go back home. I don't know why I feel I'm looking like so huge. Like it's time to go very strict with my diet. It's okay. Lockdown ka side effect. No reasons from tomorrow. Very strict and hardcore workout. So it's time for me to just relax right now. I'm kind of tired. I'm going to go home and edit this vlog because I want to show it to you guys tonight. Actually, the dessert is sweet because the Oreos are sweet and the batter is also sweet in which we fried the Oreos, and the custard is also sweet. Of course, it's a sweet overdose, but if you have a sweet tooth, you'll love it. I love it. Not just because I made it, just it's tasty. For the recipe, to check it up on Instagram. It's amazing. But not now, not today, tomorrow. And day after tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll upload maybe one, maybe butter chicken, then day after tomorrow Oreo. Editing को time लगता है, so please रुको. Goldie, I'm going. Will you miss me? Will you miss me?
Go first, then I'll miss you.
So this is your dinner. Did you like it? So आसानी से I won't leave you. Where's my gift?
It's waiting for you in the house when you go.
Where?
There in the house.
A cupboard. I'll go and see now. Open the door fast. The dogs, I'm getting scared here. So I just came back home. So before giving it to my brother, I had already given it to my security guard. And when I came back, I asked him like, how is it? He's like, it's so tasty. That's all. If you have like a sweet tooth, you will like it. It's nice. It's too sweet, but it's yummy. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start editing the vlog. I want to share it tonight because today is Raksha Bandhan and I want to share it. So I'll end the vlog right now. And I hope you like this video. Motivate me so that I can continue vlogging. There's nothing much to do, but I can try doing something if I get motivated. So yeah, see you later in another video. Hopefully soon. I just came to tell you back that when I came back home, I had asked mom how was the chicken and the roti because she hadn't eaten till I left. So she said it was so tasty. She ended up eating 3 rotis. She never exceeds 2 rotis. And this time she had 3 rotis, so it has to be tasty. She liked it very much. And my brother's going to have that for dinner also. So yeah.